There's only been one Sony Xperia XZ Premium 2 leak so far, but it's revealed a lot. A screenshot of a specs list for a Sony phone with the model number H8541 was posted to Reddit and includes a 5.7-inch 4K display with support for HDR. If accurate, that would make it slightly bigger than the 5.46-inch screen of the Xperia XZ Premium, but that's in line with the rising size of flagships. Interestingly though, the list also mentions dimensions of 149 by 74 by 7.5 mm, which would actually make it smaller than the 156 by 77 by 7.9 mm Xperia XZ Premium. To have achieved a smaller size with a bigger screen suggests major changes to the design and likely much smaller bezels.